So hello, Streetwise family. I am so excited again. Like I said, I'm in the Bay Area in San Francisco. I'm with my friend here. Say hello, my friend.
Hello, Streetwise family.
He's an anonymous friend. I've known this friend of mine for some time. But the purpose of this trip to the Bay Area, like I said, is I just want to learn. I'm a retail investor and trader, and some of you already know that I love to travel. And when I travel, I like to connect the dots, right? What I see, what I learn, and then use that information to, potentially make money. That's really the goal. So as we're driving here, you can see these nice roads, and when I see these cars, the other question that I ask myself is like, okay, what's the brand name of these companies? They, let's say, Toyota. And nothing we say here is to be taken as investment advice. It's just educational. Then is it publicly listed? I'm just walking you through how I think of it, right? And now I understand the valuation who is running this business, and is it trading at the right price for me to buy and make money? And right now you can also see this is San Francisco. What is this area, my friend, my anonymous friend?
Oh, we are still in San Mateo.
San Mateo, right? But I'm showing them the real estate there. So the other question, as we were talking with my friends yesterday, is that probably who are the owners, who are the people who invest in these businesses. So probably there are some businesses that are publicly listed or even privately traded, but those ones, those markets, they are for people with millions accredited investors. So that's how I think about these things, right? So the beauty of internet now is wherever you are, probably you're in Uganda, in Zimbabwe, you're in Canada, you're in the United States, maybe you haven't been to California. I'm bringing this to you live at no cost other than your time to just watch this. So if you're watching this, you're loving this content, give it a thumbs up, love, like, and come along with me, my friend here. So tell me, what has been your experience here in San Francisco? I know you lived in Canada for some time.
Well, first of all, the weather is much better than that in Canada.
Yes.
I don't have to worry about winter is coming.
In Vancouver, as we called it.
Yeah, so that's been one exciting thing.
Yes.
Yeah, but also you can feel the opportunity.
Yes.
There's lots of opportunities.
You mean for work?
For work, yeah, particularly financial opportunities.
Yes.
You always get the sense that there are so many jobs and you have to just pick the one that you feel is the right one for you.
I can't believe this.
I feel like unlike in smaller economies, even Canada, relatively speaking, to California, the slim pickings. You have to look for a job, and once you find it, you're lucky to have it.
Yes.
Yeah. Whereas here, there are actually more opportunities than you can take advantage of.
And how about the pays? Because when I was checking, not like specifics, and we are not talking about you personally, my friend, my dear friend, so to say. Like we were talking also about California, the economy, the GDP is like three
times that of Canada.
That is Canada.
Yet California is just a state, and Canada is an entire country.
Yes, I was checking the other time. I think Texas state is equivalent to the GDP of Canada.
Yeah.
Right? The whole economy, like the GDP, we're basically looking at the total value of goods and services.
So that just shows you,
yes,
and you can feel it when you say you're in the job market in this area.
Exactly, there are a lot of jobs,
there are lots of opportunities,
and even when you get the jobs, they pay much higher.
They pay you higher because they are trying to compete for the limited talent.
I see. And side note, you can see the airplane there. We are near San Francisco Airport. It's a very busy airport, actually. You can imagine with all the money that flows from the world into the Bay Area. But back to our conversation, my friend. So, yeah, even if, people get a lot of money, still the other interesting thing is the expenses here as well, they are quite high.
Yeah, because a lot of high earners in the area, of course,
Yeah.
they are competing for the real estate, for rental units.
Yes.
So they're going to drive up the price. So you
Yeah.
find that you need to
In 2
pay
miles,
at least
use the right 2 lanes to
3,000
take exit
for a
406
one-bedroom
for California
What?
apartment.
84 East,
3,000
Marsh Road toward
USD
Dumbarton
for a
Ridge.
one-bedroom apartment.
Wow.
Some will even go for as high as 4,000.
Imagine.
Yeah?
So that means because using that rule that at least you should have spent not more than 30% of your income, gross income, I think financial advisors say, on rent or mortgage. So that means people here should earn at least much more than that, right? So that sort of helps, but not everyone, of course, can get those kind of jobs, right?
Yeah, I guess it's primarily skilled work, right?
Skilled
Tech
work.
skilled work.
Tech skilled work.
So if you have the skills, then there are many opportunities. Of course, if you don't have the skills, then you won't be able to tap into the opportunities.
Yes. And guys, I just forgot to digression. This is Stanford Health Center. Some of you, Stanford is one of those universities, Ivy League universities, where most tech entrepreneurs came from. I think even Elon Musk, he went there, even though I reportedly he didn't finish, right? There are other tech guys,
even the Google people,
the Google folks, right, who
founders.
started Google. They all started at Stanford.
In
Lots
a half
of
mile,
lots
use
of
the
them,
right 2
right?
lanes to
So
take
we're in
exit
the area
406
where
California 84 East,
historically
Marsh Road toward
people
Dumbarton
who
Ridge.
graduated or who are around this area, they are big names actually. But again, a human being is a human being. I'm not like necessarily saying they are more special than others, but in terms of what they have
they've
accomplished and contributed to this
Use
world,
the right 2 lanes
it's
to
big
take
league
exit
stuff.
406. Then
The
use
irony,
the
we're
left 2
using
lanes to
Google
turn
Maps
left
to
onto
Yes.
California
navigate.
84 East, Marsh Road.
Imagine. So that's the thing. When I'm investing, I'm looking at things that
At the light, use the left
services.
2 lanes to turn left onto California 84 East, Marsh Road.
Yes, we have to respect what Google may be saying, right? So Google now, it takes me to another point to say, look, the Google as a business, like for me as an investor,
In a
as a
quarter
trader,
mile, use the right 3 lanes to turn
it's
right
in
onto
this area as
California
well.
84
So
East.
I hope time permitting, I will take you guys to Google so that you can see where, because when I search, I use Google. And this area as well is very nice. You can see real estate as well, right? So this is along Constitution
At the
and
light,
Independent
use the
Drive.
right 3 lanes to turn right onto California 84 East.
So yeah, we are in Menlo Park now. We are arriving. We're
Yes.
getting close to Meta campus.
That's good. So I think that was it for
Continue
now.
on
Thank you for
California
driving
84
along
East
with
for
us.
1.5 miles.
Now we are going to Meta, where I will be actually, we have the privilege of going inside and just visiting and learning. Okay, thank you. If you haven't subscribed, stay subscribed. Follow me on Facebook and social media for high quality content. Bye bye for now.